Here is an overview of Keri's latest client, the Keri Map client. The main goal of the Map client is to give you a graphical representation of your facility and, most importantly, the status of your hardware or software. An example of this would be a door forced or held open, an active, i.e. motion sensor or fire alarm going inactive or active. Is the controller or 485 reader online or offline? Are any of the gateways offline or online? Whatever you want to monitor in a graphical sense can be added to the Map client as a graphical object. This overview explains the concept of using the client and introduces you to adding maps and linking objects. You can also use the Map client to process alerts. These are critical events that require an operator to acknowledge and confirm. Right, let's make a start. Adding the maps. So you click on Map Editor tile, and as you can see, like in doors.net, everything is tabbed for ease and speed just below the ribbon. Step 1. We add our map images. Click Add. Highlight New Page Entry. Now click Map Properties icon. Load background. The images will need to be already created and then saved somewhere on the PC. For this example, we will use a multi-story building and set it as an overview. Then Save Page. We have the outside. Now we must do the individual floors. Once again, click the Add icon. Same as before, select the entry, click Load Background, then select the floor image. And again, we'll add another floor following the same steps. So now, as you can see, we have the outside of the building and 2 floors. Step 2. Linking the images. We need to link the outside building image to the floor images. Drag the floor icon onto the position of the building image and resize as you require. Click Save Page. Now click Link Pages. Highlight your building image. You will see 2 other images on the right. Simply drag them onto the relevant floor icons. You can also, coincidentally, hover the cursor over the icons to verify that they are linked. Finally, on this step, click Save button in the bottom right. Step 3. Add hardware or software icons to your floor maps. Be aware you need to enable the hardware in the standard doors.net to be accessible for the Map client in operator permissions. We're going to add a reader and an input to the ground floor image. As you can see, we have a plethora of icons pre-added for your use. Choose one of the door icons and drag it to the image. Once again, you can resize and adjust as you please. Choose another icon to represent an image, i.e. motion sensor. Beware, any icon can be used for any physical or software driven object and can be resized to suit your requirements. Now click on Save Page. We'll now do exactly the same for floor 1. Once finished, Save Page. Now expand the map name, and as you can see, all the added elements list below. Step 4. Linking hardware or software to the icons. Click Link Device icon. Expand the tree on the right and locate the hardware you want to link. Click and drag the reader to the doors icon. Do the same for the input. And as before, you can now hover over those icons and show the items that are linked. Click Save Page, then we'll do the same steps for the next floor. Now click Save Page, Save Diagram, and finally Reload Pages. Return to the home screen. Click on the Maps tile. Now you can see your building, and as you can see, we have no problems and all is green. When we create an alarm condition, and in this case door forced, we'll see the icon change state for the ground floor. We can now click on that icon to drill us down onto the floor map, and you can now see exactly which door has been forced open, or which input has gone active. When they go back to secure state, the icons will return to a green. Alerts. Some events you may consider serious enough to require operator input. We can set the icon to continue an alarm state until the alarm has been confirmed. In addition, the icon will be more animated, as seen here. Finally, hardware can be controlled from the map client. An example of this would be to right-click any of the icons to get the relevant menu, i.e. a door to do a temp unlock, or right-click an input to mask it. Thank you for watching.